The Southwest Power Pool saw a new peak in the amount of wind serving load in any given hour in the market in February. On February 12th, about 52% of the generation in SPP was wind power. Director of Marketing and Financial Analytics Val Weigel says the amount of wind generation is growing, but load growth is not keeping up. That results in some negative pricing in the real-time market for the wind generation during periods of high winds and low load. Basin Electric offers all generation units in the day-ahead market, which is not affected by real-time pricing. However, given real-time pricing, units are dispatched up and down economically. Wind is a resource that can be dispatched down to levels of 0. Wind that's dispatchable can be brought offline by SPP as long as it meets Basin Electric's offer thresholds. Non-dispatchable wind can be monitored and brought offline by Basin Electric. These scenarios tend to happen more often in the shoulder seasons because load is down because people aren't using heat or air conditioners, and also the wind tends to blow more in the shoulder seasons. Studies have shown SPP can handle up to 60% wind to load penetration in the market. That means electricity can still be reliable up to that point. Weigel says it's important for Basin Electric to position itself in the market so the cooperative can provide reliable electricity to members at the best possible price.
Wind in the market in general brings prices down, and lower prices are favorable if you're thinking about serving your load. But it gets back to looking at our position in the market, Basin's position. Do we have generation? Do we have more generation than we do load? Or do we have more load than we do generation? Any period of time where we have more load than generation, a lower market price is definitely going to be a favorable thing for Basin. Any time where we have more generation than our load, we definitely have opportunity to make surplus or make an additional margin on that generation. So in total, more wind in the market is going to bring us lower prices, which at times can be favorable for Basin. And more wind in the market is going to bring us more volatility in prices, which is going to give us opportunity to run peaking units, potentially be surplus, definitely given our current generation and load position within the SPP market right now. And it's going to really cause wind just brings a lot of volatility into the prices in the market, and it'll be of benefit and of detriment depending on how our position is put together during that given time frame.